Today I'm going to reviewing my Merc Stealth gaming keyboard. It's a very nice gaming keyboard, especially for gamers obviously. You got your normal keyboard right here, and you got your gaming part right here. There's a little add-on right here for the keyboard. W, Q, E, D, S, and A. Easier for gaming, so you don't have to go here and all this, annoying. Well, right there you got the jump, you got the control, shift, alt, tab, caps, you got all the numbers right here. 10. Easier to press, so you don't have to reach through the whole keyboard. And the cool thing about this is it comes neon lights or whatever, so you can turn it on, you can see the dimness or whatever, the brightness of it. You have it to blue, pink, or red. I like blue. Anyways, it's easier to see while you're playing at night. You can just sit your place, see, easy, jump, and the good thing about this is it's very quiet. Can't even hear it. Can't even hear it. Can't even hear it. Now you got two USB ports right here. They're very powerful, so you can have your mouse and your PSP charging. Won't even it's a very powerful thing, so it's good. You got your headphone and you got your your microphone. So for your headset, whenever you wanna plug it in, it's easier, so you don't have to go reaching on the back of your computer. You got your basic keyboard stuff right here. Rewind, pause, stop, forward, 1, 2, 3 for different save programs for different games. You can customize all these buttons to what you want, each for a different game. You can have up to 3. You got the volume and all that stuff right here, basic stuff what you need. And you got the power, you got the things right here, so it won't be too much of a big keyboard, because it's already pretty big, and it's pretty heavy. It's about 6 pounds, feels like it. Yeah, so this is my Merc Stealth, and it comes with the CD, so you can customize any key you want on this part right here or this part to whatever you want for games, any game you want. And yeah, it's Merc Stealth. It's an $80 keyboard. I recommend it. You buy it for if you're a gamer, so you don't have to just play like this and see very annoying. See the difference? See? Watch. See? You can't even hear me playing. Very nice. And I got my mouse right here, my Logitech. I don't know what it is, but it's very nice. Fits perfect. You got 2 buttons right here. You got 2 buttons right here and another button right here. And yeah, it's a very nice mouse. It's a $60 mouse. Yeah, I got this about 3 years ago, and I just got this one right here. So I recommend you buy this keyboard if you're a gamer. It's very helpful, very useful. Thanks.